Hello, my name is Chestha, and I had lost a lot of weight, and I was not aware about like what to do with my loose skin. And I came across a lot of surgeons, but I was not satisfied. I was like worried, like how it will go and what all will happen. But suddenly, I came across a page on Instagram, and I came across a doctor named Priya Bansal, and she's a doctor in CK Birla Hospital. She's a great surgeon. I started by treating my thigh area, and I asked ma'am like what to do, and she educated me on this that I have to undergo a thigh lift, a small thigh lift, and I underwent that surgery. And then after a period of time, I have also consulted her for my breast part, and she recommended that it has lost volume, so I have went through breast augmentation procedure as well. And then the third part came where I had a lot of loose skin in my stomach, so I underwent the third surgery, which is tummy tuck, and that's it. And if you are such a patient, or you are such a person who is dealing with this part or dealing with loose skin, you are losing confidence, so I believe you should ask her, you should consult her, because she takes interest in her patients, and she addresses all those questions which you have in your mind. And I will say that I ask her a lot of questions because I get worried like what all will happen, and she addressed all those questions. I eat her head a lot, but she happily addresses all those questions, and she gives me confidence like it will go well, and I have recovered by her words, by the motivation. And the other thing is that Reena ma'am, I have also eaten her head by asking a lot of questions. Not only Priya ma'am, but also I have eaten her head, and she hasn't, not a single time she has said that okay, I'm not going to answer these questions. It can be like 1 hour or 2 hour discussion, but they usually invest time in their patients, and they answer all those questions, and they help us to gain that confidence. Recovery is fine. I was also worried about recovery, like how will I proceed with my daily activities. But I would say there is a discomfort for the starting period of time is a little discomfort. That is, you can say for around 4 to 5 days, and then you're okay with everything. Talking about why I chose her is that I have asked a lot of surgeons, but I was not satisfied. And when I came to her, I was satisfied saying, okay, she's a female surgeon. But when I underwent my first surgery with her, what I noticed is that the stitch line which she gives is fine, is perfectly thin, and is perfectly okay. So I was not at all worried about thinking about that, okay, I have to undergo another surgery. So if you're choosing your surgeon, I believe you're going to invest a lot of money. So you should go to a better surgeon who has a lot of practice, who is fine with this stitch line, who is going to assure you that you're going to recover well, who is going to give you a lot of time for the follow-ups. And for that, I will say that she is the perfect person. So if you are thinking about undergoing any surgery, I will say that you will be more than satisfied. And if you're a person who is terrified that okay, how will I look, or what results I'll get. So believe me, you will get the perfect results. You're going to love yourself, you're going to adore yourself, and it's nothing to worry about. So it's just a matter of 5 to 7 days. And if you are thinking about this, you should definitely come to her and she'll guide you about the same.